you did mention that there's more to this than just this. Kasi if I look into big countries, superpowers,
Mm,
hindi kasali sa ICC.
mm,
Yeah, I mentioned this si Netanyahu sa
mm,
Israel.
mm,
Did Israel government coordinate with ICC sa
mm.
arrest warrant? Hindi, hindi nila pinansin.
Correct.
Si Putin,
Correct.
he also has an arrest from ICC.
Oo,
Hindi nila pinansin
hindi.
that the government did not issue or help and
Mm,
collaborate with the ICC. So there's
mm,
a deeper meaning into this
correct.
talaga.
Mm,
Kasi sabi niyo nga po, it's a functioning state naman ng Pilipinas eh.
yeah,
So
yeah.
what do you think, on your own personal opinion,
Mm.
what is the reason behind?
Well, there may be a number of reasons why the head of state decided to surrender uh, its citizen, to a foreign entity. No, yung number one could have been external pressure. External pressure. Maybe there are some powers, great powers, who don't want this particular citizen to be around.
Mm,
Oh, pwede yan, no? Or, for example, the greater European community, maybe, ang tawag dito, they may also not feel comfortable having the ex-president around. But you see, these are neither here nor there, because we can actually negotiate, we can
mm,
actually negotiate these terms. Marami naman talagang problema. What seems to be uh, what seems kind rather more plausible is the fact that uh, the former president seems to create a lot of tension, which could actually act as an obstacle to, for example, to the political ambitions of the current administration, especially with uh, this sabi mo nga, yung midterm elections coming up.
mm.
So, gusto niyang ma-neutralize yung it seems like they want to neutralize the influence of the former president without it bouncing back to them. Kumbaga, ina-outsource yung paggawa. Tsaka yung blowback, tinatawag ng blowback. Kasi
Hugas
may
kamay.
blowback talaga yan, di ba? Pero nangyayari, actually ngayon, nangyayari talaga kahit na dumistansya, kahit na ina-avoid nila na hindi naman talaga tayo, it's the Interpol who requested, this sort of thing. Pero kung iisipin mo, kung titingnan mo, no, maybe short term natanggal siya, pero it's not going away. It seems na nag-increase yung tension.
Parang nag-backfire nga siguro eh, because this caused more awareness among the people. Marami na rin bumabaliktad because of this.
Correct, correct. May mga nababasa nga ako na yung sabi niya, ano daw siya, ikakamping, Pero sabi hindi naman daw siya loyalist. Pero hindi siya boto sa nangyari. Kasi nga naman, yung hindi lang yung soberanya, kundi yung bakit natin isinurrender itong isang citizen nga sa ibang authority. Kumbaga kusa nating ginawa.
Mm, mm.
Siguro, so kumbaga it goes beyond just the legalities now. It goes beyond our nature as a people, yung ating pagka-Pilipino. Ganun lang ba talaga tayo? Hindi ba tayo nagkakaisa? O talagang ano ba yung politika dito sa atin? Parang yun na ba ang pinakamataas sa ating mga value system? Na,
Hin-
kumbaga,
Hindi ba
pwede na.
lumalabas ang pagka-regionalistic po din natin?
I think it's more than, yeah, in the conflicts in North and South, katulad ng sinabi,
Oo.
the North and South.
Eh, lumalabas yung sub-Saharan issue eh. I guess that's one of additional na nag-gaslight ng problem
Correct, correct, correct.
nung comment of that podcaster.